Hi friends, today I am going to discuss the question answers of the chapter Soil. It is the chapter of geography book of class 11. So let us start. First question. What is soil? Answer. Soil is a mixture of rock debris and organic matter which are formed on the earth's surface. Main component of soil are humus, water, air and mineral particle. Next question. What are the major factors which affect formation of soil? Answer. Major factors which affect formation of soil are relief, parent material, climate, and all other life form. Time. Human activities are also responsible for the formation of soil. For example, laterite soil are found in the area where there is high temperature and high rainfall. Next is black soil are found in the area where volcanoes are formed. Next is peaty soil are found in the area where there is heavy rainfall and high humidity, etc. Next question. What is soil profile and how many horizon it has? Answer. Vertical layered structure is called soil profile. It has 3 horizon. First is A horizon. In it, first point is it is uppermost soil. Next is it is called topsoil. Next is it is dark in color. Next is it is rich in mineral and humus. Next is it is soft and porous. Next is B horizon. In it, first point is it lies between A horizon and C horizon. It is called middle layer. It is called subsoil. It is rich in minerals, but it has less humus. It is hard and compact. Next is C horizon. First point. It lies below B horizon. These are pieces of rocks formed from parent rock. It has no humus. Below this layer, there are large rocks called as bedrocks. Next question. What is the difference between Bhangar soil and Khaddar soil? Answer. Points of Bhangar are: first is it contain kankad. Next is it is old alluvial soil. Next is it is found away from the river. Next is it is less fertile. Next is it is not suitable for growing crops. Points of Khaddar are: first is it is suitable for growing crops. Next is it is found near river. Next is it is fertile. Next is it does not contain any kankad. Next is it is new alluvial soil. Next question. What do you mean by soil degradation? Answer. Soil degradation means decreasing the fertility of soil due to soil erosion and its misuse is called soil degradation. Next question. What are black soils? Describe the formation of black soil and its characteristics. Answer. Black soil is formed by volcano. Other name of black soil is Regur soil and black cotton soil. Black soil is generally clay, deep and impermeable. Black soil swell and becomes sticky when wet, and it gets shrink when dry. Color of black soil ranges from deep black to grey. Black soil is found in Deccan Plateau, including Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, and some part of Tamil Nadu. Next question. What do you mean by soil conservation? Answer. Soil conservation is a methodology to maintain fertility of soil, prevent soil erosion, and improve degraded condition of soil. Next question. Suggest some measures to conserve soil. Answer. Measures are as follows. First is to check open cultivable land on slope from farming. Next is land with slope gradient of 15-25% should not be used. Next is, if at all the land is to be used for agriculture, terrace should carefully be made. Next is, overgrazing, grazing and shifting cultivation should be regulated. Next is, integrated land use planning should be used. Next is, counterbunding. Next is, counter terracing. Next is, control grazing. Next is, cover cropping. Next is, mixed farming. Next is, crop rotation should be used. Next question. How do you come to know that whether the soil is fertile or not? Answer. Fine-grained red and yellow soil are normally fertile, whereas coarse-grained soil found in high upland area are poor in fertility. They are poor in humus, phosphorus and nitrogen. Next question. What is the difference between naturally determined fertility and culturally induced fertility? Answer. Naturally determined fertility some soil have nitrogen, phosphorus, humus, calcium, potassium naturally. It increases the fertility of the soil. Such fertility is called naturally determined fertility. It makes the individual independent on nature. Next is culturally induced fertility some soil are poor in nitrogen, phosphorus, humus, calcium, potassium. Then we have to add manure and fertilizer to make the soil fertile. Such fertility is called culturally induced fertility. It does not make an individual dependent on nature. Next question. What are the nutrients required by the soil to maintain its fertility? Answer. A large number of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, sulfur. etc. are required by the soil to maintain its fertility. Next question. How we can improve the fertility of soil? Answer. Answer. We can improve fertility of soil by following methods, which are as follows: mix cropping and crop rotation. By adding manure and chemical fertilizer. Counter bunding, counter terracing, regulated forestry, control grazing, etc. Beside this microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi, etc. also play an important role in maintaining fertility of soil. Next question. Where are arid soil found in India? Answer. Arid soil are found in western Rajasthan, having arid topography. These soil are red to brown in color and have sandy structure. Next question. Why arid soil is less fertile as compared to other soils? Answer. Arid soil have high salt content, due to which salinity of soil increases and fertility decreases. These soils are found in dry climate and high temperature. Due to high temperature, evaporation of water is more. So, arid soil have less moisture and humus. Quantity of nitrogen required for crop is insufficient. Lower layer of soil is occupied by kankad. So, arid soil is less fertile. However, with proper irrigation, we can increase fertility of the soil. Next question. What is the difference between laterite soil and saline soil? Answer. Points of laterite soil are: laterite soil is used in making bricks. Laterite soil is found in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and hilly area of Odisha. Laterite soil occurs in an area with high temperature and high rainfall. Laterite soil is rich in sodium, potassium, magnesium. Laterite soil is result of intense leaching with rain. Through rain. Points of saline soil are: salt is obtained from saline soil. Saline soil is found in western Gujarat, delta of east coast and Sundarban. Saline soil is poor in nitrogen, phosphate and calcium, but it is rich in iron and potash. Fertile soil becomes saline when salt is deposited on top layer. Saline soil is found in arid, semi-arid, waterlogged and swampy area. Next question. Why soil conservation is important in India? Answer. Soil is a natural resource. It is important for ecosystem. It is the foundation of plant, animal and human life. Soil conservation is important in India because soil is important for plant because it hold root, water and nutrient. It is the home of various organisms because they decompose organic matter. It help in regulating carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Soil provide essential construction and manufacturing material. Soil protect groundwater from pollutant. Next question. How is alluvial soil formed? Answer. Sediments brought by river and stream in plain area, and when speed of river decreases, then the sediments in the form of sand, silt and clay gets deposited. Next question. Where are alluvial soil found? Answer. Alluvial soil are found in northern plain and river valley through a narrow corridor in Rajasthan, and it extend into plains of Gujarat. These soils are found in delta of east coast and river valley in peninsular area. It covers 40% of total area of the country. Next question. What are the characteristics of alluvial soil? Answer. Characteristics of alluvial soil are: these soil vary in nature from sandy loamy to clayey. Color of alluvial soil ranges from light grey to ash grey. Alluvial soil is rich in lime and potash, but it is poor in phosphorus. Alluvial soil is of two types: Bhangar soil and Khaddar soil. Bhangar soil hyphen it is old alluvial soil. It is found away from the river. It is less fertile. It contains kankad. Khaddar soil hyphen it is new alluvial soil. It is found near the river. It is more fertile. It does not contain any kankad.